I asked you what is that, you won't tell me.
I got a baby.
Why not? I asked you a question. Why not?
Hi guys, I have a baby. Help me, Autumn. Help me pull this up so we can show everyone the baby. I think everybody. Pull her up, baby.
I have a baby.
I'm trying to get my man back.
Even though it wasn't recording. Ow! Ow!
You
No, no, no,
I am in a minute.
Don't lift it up like that.
I am in a minute.
Because we don't want. It's on
Yeah, you in a minute.
You tell me. No, wait a minute.
Go backwards. Go backwards. Open chopper. Or hooter. No! Don't tilt
Nah, what I
Don't touch her back. Open the doors.
So,
Wait, hold on. Don't put her in the Stop, Michael.
there's a cap.
Don't touch her back.
Turn up my ass.
Alright, Grandpa, you ready to stand up?
Stupid question.
You gotta stand up. Take a couple steps.
I have your phone in your purse.
Ken, I got you. Ashton, pull the wheelchair back.
I got it.
That's rust. That's
Just
just
really-
don't touch that. No.
It's windy, ain't it?
Now put your feet up.
What you waiting?
Stand up and hold on to that.
Where was that?
This right there.
The boot bed.
Ashton, pull the wheelchair back.
The boot bed.
Yeah, with both hands. And then try to stand up. Heidi, pull the chair back. Stand up. I got you. Just put your foot up on the black thing right there.
Damn, I'm telling you, I can't lift my feet up. What? Put that back under me.
I'm under you. You're not gonna fall. I got you.
Okay,
So you gotta try to put your foot up there.
Wait, hold on. I'll be right back.
put it under the goddamn.
You not listening.
I'm missing. I need telling me to lift while I can't lift my foot.
Put your feet up. Hmm? Autumn, you unlock the door for me?
Huh?
You got keys? Unlock it for me. Press it 2 times.
2 times, okay. Time to put the baby in. I remember this. I used to have a baby doll and I used to put her in there.
You gotta lift it up this way. Yeah, like that.